Imagine a chimpanzee who didn't just act a little human, but actually walked, lived, and even thought like one. That's Oliver, the legendary human Z. For years, his story blurred the lines between science fiction and reality. Let me take you through the wild, true story of Oliver, the chimp that walked like a man. Oliver was born in the Congo in the 1960s and brought as a baby to America by two animal trainers, Frank and Janet Berger. From the start, he was different. His head was smaller, his jaw less pronounced, and his ears pointed. He even smelled different from other chimps, but the weirdest thing, he wanted nothing to do with chimps. Instead, he preferred hanging out with humans. He'd help with chores, watch TV, and even smoke cigars. Yes, really, most unbelievably, Oliver walked upright, on two legs, just like us, almost all the time. As he got older, things only got stranger. At 16, Oliver started showing interest in human women. That was the last straw for Janet Berger, who decided to sell him. Suddenly, Oliver was a media sensation. People started asking, was he a hybrid? A human Z, part human, part chimp? The tabloids went wild. TV shows flew him out to Japan, where scientists ran chromosome tests. Most of those tests said he was a normal chimp, but a couple of odd results kept the rumors alive. After the media circus, Oliver bounced between owners and eventually vanished. For nearly a decade, he lived alone in a tiny cage at a research lab in Pennsylvania. He was never experimented on, but that isolation took a toll. Finally, in 1996, Oliver and 11 other chimps were retired to a sanctuary in Texas. It was the first time lab chimps had ever been given a real retirement. Scientists kept probing the mystery. DNA tests showed Oliver had 48 chromosomes, just like any chimp. But there was a twist. He belonged to a rare subspecies from Central Africa, which might explain his unique looks and behavior. Still, the idea of a human-chimp hybrid kept popping up. After all, humans and chimps share about 98–99% of their DNA. Some scientists think hybridization is possible, and there are even rumors of attempts, though none have ever been proven. Oliver lived out his last years blind and arthritic, but his story left a mark on science, ethics, and our own ideas about what it means to be human. Was he a genetic accident, a glimpse at what could be, or just a chimp who happened to walk like a man? One thing's for sure, Oliver made us rethink the thin line between human and animal.